This is going to be the last segment. The chickens are done, and we're going to start putting them over. They're nice and dry. And what you'll notice, what I did add is I added glossy accents up and around, and I put a little bit of liquid pearl around the top, and I added a G so that I don't have to waste any time here. Hopefully I can do what I need to do here without messing up anything. I need to put this phrase from the stamp from Lala, and I'm going to stamp it down here at the bottom. And you can see, I always keep my stamp pads upside down. Hi. Hi. No, being shy. And you can see. Yeah, I'm talking to both people at the same time. I'm multitasking. See, you're going to be able to hear me in that video talking to you, sweetheart. So, and this, I'm just going to block it. I'm going to use my scissors. I do have die cuts, but I am doing this. I'm going to get you... But I am going to corner it. I'm driving by with a birthday high is what it says. I'm just going to get my corner stamp. That's not it. Where is it? Not that I meant either. Guys, I am looking for my corner punch. Ain't going girly. I'm doing a butterfly. Looking for it. Sometimes flying by my side of my pants. There we go. I'm looking, I'm coming. So I want to do corner punch. Nope, I'm videotaping if you don't mind. We both good. I can see you now. Can you see me? Love it. What do you think? What was her name before? Gotta pop that. I'm gonna get them back out. And we're gonna stick in the chickens and the eggs. I decided where I was gonna put them since. I'm gonna put my this and that. I popped out just that. Only need 2. I don't think we need any more than that. Put that over. Pop this off. I do want a glossy accent the inside a little bit. This was just spare paper from a mini that I'm doing. We're just stick this in the middle. I think it looks pretty good. So you can see. Maybe a little higher. Not totally even. Really liking that. See, it's a little damp on this because I put glossy on top. Let's see. We're going to do the nose of the cow, the eyes of the cow, let's do the hair of the cow, the ears, the nose of the pig, eyes of the pig, the ears of the pig, the tail of the pig, the hoof of the horse, nose of the horse, the eye of the horse. Now, now that I've done this, and I'm going to stop there and let that dry. And we'll be back. Pretty much dry, and I've already preset for the next part and the last part. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this last one. And once I cut this, and I'll show you, this one's actually going to go down into here, so you guys can see it. So I don't want to cut it all the way off, because I know that I have, this is another reason why I stuck a bunch of pop dots in. I don't want to cut it all the way off, but this is where you got to make sure that when you use your shank cutter that you want to hold on to it, because I had to go flying and looking for one because I was scared that it was going to stick in somebody's foot. So I just cut the tip. I actually reuse them if they're long enough, but this one's not. So all these other ones are pre-cut to what I'm going to do, and you can see them. I have my hot glue gun sitting here, so we're going to sit and do this one. This one will be a little bit easier. I'm just put a little hot glue on the stick, and I'm going to stick him down. Her. There we go. So this chickens up in there, and I'm going to use a little bit. Sticking its butt up in his face, which I'm laughing at. So it's going to sit. There we go. And we're going to stick the eggs in the back of the trailer here. Put the longer one in first. I'm putting hot glue on it. Just going to keep winding until it stops. So there's one right there. And then the shorter one's going to go right here. This one right here. Stick it in. Down and underneath. So it's in there. See, he's got his eggs. Not the way I would prefer the eggs, but the eggs are what they are. And then I'm going to do it on this one. Put a little bit more around the end because of where it's going. And since this one's facing this way, it's going to be right here. Down into the grass. That's where the other chicken is. I don't want it to, it's going to stand up on its own once it dries, so I'm not worried about it. Then I made this one into a shroom. And we're just going to do the tip of that one. Made that more into a ball. So this is my finished card. I might put a little glossy behind it, and I may decorate up the gems, the clear gems, and then blend these in yet, but there's the card, and I'm going to take a snapshot and add it to the end. And here's the inside. So, happy 70th, George. Thanks all for watching, guys. Bye.